2026 നമ്മുടെ ചിന്ത വേക്കപ്പ്, ലുക്കപ്പ് ആൻഡ് സ്പീക്കപ്പ്.
This is the year of abundance life. This is the year of abundance grace. The year of achieving many goals. This is the year of healing. This is the year of blessings. This is the year of victory. This is the year of abundant grace. May the God give a special grace to go after the dreams He placed in your minds. May the Lord bless with a very happy and a healthy new year.